Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. These 7 healthy habits are life-changing, and will help you feel better long-term. Sure, they might seem simple, but the results truly add up over time. Most of us go into the new year hoping that this will finally be the one that changes everything for the better. Our health goals tend to be at the top of the list of our New Year's resolutions. Sometimes these goals require sacrifices in the moment to reap the benefits later, like taking time out of binging TV to exercise for a bit, but those compromises don't always have to be monumental. As you're trying to be healthier, small changes to your daily habits can make a surprisingly big difference to your overall health, especially as the effects accumulate over time. Here are 7 healthy habits to feel better long-term. Number 1. Prioritize sleep. Going without sleep is a lot like expecting your phone to run all day on a 12% battery. Your body needs time to not just rest and recharge, but also to do important work like learn new things and solidify memories. Adults should get at least 7 hours of shut-eye each night. If this is a challenge for you, turn to your circadian rhythm. This is your body's natural process that should help you fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling refreshed. Number 2. Walk more. Heading out for a stroll boosts your physical and mental health, so it's well worth adding to your list of healthy daily habits. On the physical front, regular walking supports your immune system, reduces joint pain, and makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Any exercise helps your mental health, and that includes walking. If you want to shift your daily habits to combat symptoms of depression or anxiety, or to boost your mental wellness in general, make it a point to lace up your walking shoes each day. Number 3. Read for 30 minutes. Feeling stressed? Crack open a book. One study found that a half hour of reading can have the same stress-busting effect as known sources of calm, like yoga and humor. Reading also does a lot for your brain, strengthening connections there. That study showed that diving into a book has both short and long-term benefits for your brain health. So to maintain the boost, make reading one of your daily habits. When you do, you'll also be actively working to fight cognitive decline as you age. Number 4. Meditate. Another stress reducer and mental health booster, meditation gives you a way to tune into the present moment. In our busy, hyper-connected world, this can go a long way toward not just keeping yourself healthy, but also protecting your happiness. Starting meditation could be as simple as doing a little reading on it and setting a timer for, say, 5 minutes each day. But there are also plenty of good apps to guide you. You can even incorporate a meditative mindset into your regular activities, such as mindful eating. Number 5. Eat more plant-based foods. You probably already know that eating nutritious food makes you feel better. As an overarching concept, though, healthy eating habits can feel a little vague. So let's be specific. Work to get more plants onto your plate. A plant-based diet helps you maintain healthy cholesterol and blood pressure levels, and reduces your risk for some chronic conditions. Plants are full of the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients we need to keep our bodies working optimally. Number 6. Drink more water. This is one of those areas where it's easy to see how healthy habits help. Since we're mostly water, it makes sense that we would need to continually replenish our body's supply. Getting enough water helps your body flush waste and keeps your joints lubricated, while acting as a shock absorber for your spine and helping your digestive processes. Number 7. Quit smoking. Does this come as any surprise? Smoking is bad for your heart and lungs, and it's also bad for your longevity. Long story short, if you want to live a longer, healthier life, kick the habit. As you're figuring out how to be healthier, don't turn to vaping. It might be less harmful, but it's just as addictive and still comes with health risks. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.